Life is not easy, and it was never meant to be. If you're waiting for the perfect moment, it won't come. If you're hoping for a smooth road, you won't find it. But listen, that's the beauty of it. Every pain you feel is proof that you're still fighting. Every tear you wipe is a sign that you're still trying. People will doubt you, life will knock you down, but you have to rise again, stronger, sharper and more focused than ever. Sometimes life takes everything away from you, except for one thing, your courage. And sometimes that's all you need. Let your pain shape you, not break you. Let your failures fuel your comeback. No matter how dark it gets, remember, even the stars shine only in darkness. So if life isn't easy right now, good. You're on the right path, because easy lives don't make strong people, but hard lives, they make warriors.